Hello friends, you're watching Coding Shiksha. So today in this video we will be looking at how to add custom fonts in jspdf and how to convert them into PDF. So in the official documentation here you can see here there is an example, and in the preview section you can see here these are the fonts that you can use here. This is a default one, this is Courier Normal, Times Italic, Helvetica Bold. So all these fonts are there. So what I will do here is that I can just copy paste this code here and show to you in the editor. So this is Visual Studio Code. I have prepared index.html file and I have included jspdf min.js and the custom script.js file. So in this custom script file I will write my code here. So first of all I am just creating a new instance of jspdf and storing that in the document object, and then I am just adding some text at xy coordinates 2020. This is the default font and this is the custom fonts. You can see here italic, bold, italic. So lastly I will save my file here, save the PDF file. So for that I will just use this function dot save, and let me just name this as font.pdf. After that I will save this file and let me just go to my file here, refresh this, and you can see here font.pdf has been downloaded. So let me just open this file. So you can see here these are the fonts that you can use in your PDF documents. So this is the way by which you can include the JSPDF fonts and use them in your PDF documents. So thank you very much guys for watching this short video, and do like this video by hitting the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.